Ako malaki lang sa English.
Okay. Ha? Okay, Homes. Okay, ready? Timer starts now.
English.
Ay, hindi ka ba? Hindi ka ba? Kasi ako. Baka nagkaya. Tingnan mo.
Loud.
O, tingnan mo baka nagkaya si Mami.
Sounds like.
Pwede magpasa.
Patong, layer. Above. Level, above. Beyond.
Sounds like thunder.
Earthquake. Stop. Pass.
Oh, very careful si Mami. Ano kung nag-ano ko sa ano.
Mabilis yan sa pass. Mabilis yan sa pass. Nakaputol sa pa. Paano yan? Sigurado na yun.
Siya magpapasali na ako.
Oo.
Tagalog. Ang ika-word. 4 syllable. Heart. Puso. Pag-ibig.
Mahal. Ano? Ang pag-ibig lang. Hindi naman matatapos yan.
Wala na pag-ibig.
Okay, 1 point. Very good.
Yan.
General,
Tagalog lang dito man?
Jaya yun.
English. 3 words.
Jaya.
Third word.
Cry. Eyes.
Blink.
Second word. You.
You.
Eyes for you.
First word. Ano yan? Ibang naisip.
Sige, next
True.
try.
8 minutes.
True. Wala. Through your eyes. In your eyes.
Okay, boys, that is right. Yes.
Four words. Ano English? English.
First word. Patong pa. Maybe na ba?
Sounds like. Sound.
Shoulder down. Head and shoulder.
Top of the word.
Okay! Very good.
Baka mamay lang.
4 points. 4 points.
English. Smile.
Or na.
Smile. Smile.
Or na.
Third word, smile.
Smile.
Third word, smile.
Kami yan, for na.
Smile. Oh, ano? Smile on parents. Shine on baby.
First word. Anong slide?
Oh, di magpurihin ha.
Tiny.
First word.
Tiny. Ano?
Fine.
Uy, may props na.
Looking through the eyes of love.
Edge.
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 Yeah.
Corner.
Edge. Size, shape.
Square. Ano?
Pwede.
Rectangle.
Size.
Height. Height. Red horse. Height. Length. Length. Height.
Shape of your heart.
Smile na no. Manay doon yan.
Smile.
Sounds like. Height.
Scott.
Length. 6 minutes and 5 seconds.
6 minutes pa naman.
Smile.
Yan, ilan na sila dyan? Wide. Wide. Sounds like wider.
Wide.
Relationship.
Wide open. Open wide. Open.
Second word yan. Sige.
Sabay na
Smile.
Sounds like.
5 minutes for 40 seconds. Bye.
Eat.
Eat.
Nagutom na ako. Sige, practice. Okay.
First word. Tulog. Natutulog ba nyo?
Okay.
Gising na siya. 5 minutes and 10 seconds.
Four
Oh, 4
words.
words. English na
5 words
naman.
na, no?
First word.
Give you.
You.
Fourth
Fourth.
word.
Last word.
Are my
You are my song.
Okay, ako na, si Sol.
Oh, dalawa na lang. Pero mo na sa'yo dyan. 4 minutes and 50 seconds.
Sabi naman ko yan.
English. 2 words. First word. Dive. Deep. Ocean deep.
Okay! Ah, sige, okay lang. Nice try.
Sige, ubusan na yan.
Money the go. First word.
Tagalog. Uhaw. Bahay kubo.
Triangle. Pyramid. Tagalog. Tatsulo.
Okay.
4 minutes and 50 seconds.
Okay na?
Tama naman.
Okay, congratulations!
Panalo ka na. Ano to? Ano to?
Wait! Ulit, wait, hi.
It's a smile.
Nagpagkebeke mo siya mag-isip.
Pero
Kasi yung wait.
Oh, wait.
Wait lang.
Sa bagay.
Wait, hi.
Amin na ang 1,000.
1,000 ba pa paano ko?
2,000.
1,000
na.
500. 500.
Hindi ako makasya pa ni 1,000.
Baka-RCB naman yan, oh.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ano ba? 4, 5, 6, 7,
Pinali.
8, 9.
Nagana naman si Damian.
Patay na.
Nagana pang ginaray, dahil na.
Gano'n mag-giro.